What is the first condition for the law of reflection of sound? The first law of reflection for sound states that the incident wave, the reflected wave, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same geometric plane. This principle is identical to the law of reflection for light and is a fundamental concept in wave physics. In which medium is the speed of sound generally less? Sound travels slowest in gases because the molecules are far apart, leading to less frequent collisions and slower energy transfer. The speed of sound is directly proportional to the square root of the medium's elasticity and inversely to its density. What characteristic of a sound wave is associated with its loudness? Loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the sound wave. A higher amplitude means more energy is carried by the wave, resulting in a louder sound perceived by the ear. How does a sound wave propagate from its source? Sound waves propagate from a source by spreading out in all directions as longitudinal waves through a medium. This spherical expansion occurs because the vibrating source pushes against the surrounding particles, creating a series of compressions and rarefactions. Sound naturally diverges rather than focusing into a beam unless manipulated by specific acoustic reflectors or lenses. While sound can travel in a straight path, it naturally radiates outward in 3 dimensions from a point source. While the source does vibrate in place, the question asks how the wave propagates away from that source. Pitch of a sound depends on the vibration. Pitch is the subjective perception of sound that is directly proportional to the frequency of the vibrating source. Higher frequency vibrations result in a higher pitch, while lower frequencies produce a lower pitch. What is the typical speed of sound in air, as provided in the problem? The speed of sound in air at standard temperature and pressure is approximately 330 to 340 ms1, depending on environmental conditions. This value is a fundamental constant used in physics problems involving echoes, sonar, and wave propagation. What physical quantity is related to the maximum speed of vibrations that produces sound? Frequency represents the number of vibrations or cycles per second and is the physical quantity that determines the pitch of a sound. In competitive exams, it is measured in hertz, and is directly related to how rapidly the source of the sound vibrates. If you are on the moon, will you hear sounds produced by a friend? Sound is a mechanical wave that requires a material medium like air or water to propagate through vibrations. Because the moon lacks an atmosphere, there are no particles to transmit these vibrations, resulting in total silence. Even if a friend shouts loudly, the lack of a medium prevents the sound energy from traveling to your ears. Sound cannot travel in the vacuum of space because there is no matter to carry the mechanical wave. Even at close range, the vacuum between two people acts as a perfect insulator against the transmission of sound waves. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.